Welcome to Definite Solution. Today we are going to show you how to change desktop background in Windows 10. So let's get started. Now right click on desktop, click on personalize. From there you can change the background. Now you have three options to change the background. First you need to go to picture. You can select any of the picture of your choice as background. And the second option is you can select a color of your choice. You can select any color of your choice as background. And the third option is a slideshow. You can select multiple pictures as a slideshow for the background. Thank you for watching.